Welcome to Dave's Cooking Show, coming at you every single Sunday, Monday, Wednesday, and Friday at 4 p.m. Central Standard Time. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, as most of you are not subscribed. Don't forget to click the bell notification, as it lets you know anytime I go live. And leave a comment. Helps the video out a ton. Now, with all that out of the way that YouTube makes me say, we got a real simple recipe for you today. It's a 5-minute nacho cheese sauce. As you can see, in a pan over medium heat, I'm heating up 1 cup of heavy cream. It'll take a couple of minutes. And once you got it kind of on a bit of a boil, you want to add 2 cups of freshly grated Colby Jack cheese. Again, you want to use the block stuff for this. If you have a food processor, it takes you 30 minutes, or 30 seconds, excuse me. I apologize. And now it's time to add our seasoning mix, which is a 1/4 teaspoon paprika, a 1/4 teaspoon chili powder, a 1/4 teaspoon of garlic powder, and 1 tablespoon of cornstarch. Then you just want to stir this continuously until everything is combined and happy. It'll take you a couple of minutes. Just go until it's, again, nice, creamy, and all combined. All right, and once everything is combined, it should be looking a little something like that. And last thing we got to do is just, of course, add some just for dipping. And that's that. If you are going to have this cheese out for a lengthy period of time, like a football game or something like that, I would recommend putting it in a slow cooker on the keep warm setting, or this will solidify. All right, 5-minute nacho cheese sauce. Done.